creamy Cajun shrimp scampi. What it do, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm returning with another banger. Let's not waste any time and let's get right on into this recipe. So you want to begin by getting a pot of water boiling. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt right on in there, just like so. And you're gonna go ahead and grab your favorite pasta. For this recipe, I am using linguine pasta, but you can use any of your choosing. You wanna go ahead and get your pasta in there, top it off and let it do its thing. You want to boil it until it's al dente, and once it is, you want to drain it and set it off to the side. Moving on, for this recipe, we're using 1 pound of tiger shrimp. These are peeled and deveined, but you could use any shrimp of your choosing. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on them and give them a nice luxurious massage, as we always do. And we are gonna season it up with our favorite Cajun seasoning, which is Island Vibe Cajun Crush, and you go ahead and get this at islandvibecooking.com. Moving on, we have our heat to about a medium high. I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil into the pan. You want to go ahead and get your shrimp right on in there, and we are gonna let it go for about 2 to 2.5 minutes per side. Once that first side is done, you flip it over, let it cook again. Then we are gonna remove it from the heat and then move on to the next step. Now that our shrimp is removed, we're gonna toss in some shallot as well as some minced garlic. You wanna let it do its thing for a couple of minutes, maybe for about 2 minutes or so. Then we are gonna hit that pan with some white wine, baby. Just go ahead and add a splash. And if you're feeling really good like me, go ahead and add a little second splash right on in there, just like so. Once we have that taken care of, we are then gonna add in a little bit of butter into this pan right here, about 2 tablespoons of some unsalted butter, baby. You want that to melt down. And by the way, have your heat reduced to about a medium at this point. Moving on, we're gonna toss in the juice of half a lemon. Go ahead and get that into your pan, just like so. Then we are gonna grab that heavy cream and get that into the pan, about a half a cup of some heavy cream. Go ahead and give that a little bit of a mix, and we're gonna season up this cream with about a tablespoon, again, of your favorite Cajun seasoning. You want to get that in your pan, give it a mix, give it a taste. You might want to add a little salt and pepper if you feel like it needs it, but you want this to go and come to a little bit of a simmer, and we are going to introduce our delicious shrimp right into this pan, just like so. Go ahead and get your shrimp in there, baby. They are looking so good. Go ahead and mix it up, toss in a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, and you are pretty much ready to reintroduce your pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pasta. Like I said, I had it drained, set off to the side. We're gonna get it into the pan. We're gonna mix it up with all of this goodness right here. We're also gonna hit this with a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan cheese after we get our pasta reintroduced. That Parmesan cheese, you cannot forget it, and it gotta be fresh, baby, freshly grated. It makes a huge difference in the flavor. Trust and believe me. Now that we have that Parmesan cheese in there, you could go ahead and toss in a little bit more freshly chopped parsley, and you are pretty much ready to plate up and bust down This recipe right here is a 10 out of 10. You must try it again and again and again. I'm talking encore. Okay, come on, now stop playing with me. This is so delicious, so amazing right here, and I cannot wait for you to give it a try. Once you do, double back, let me know how'd you love it. I will see you all on the next video. Thank you for watching.